Good evening, everyone. This is your Sir Jasper, and welcome to Virtual English. For today's lesson, we will learn about the three types of English diction or word choice. They are exact, vivid, and proper. In academic writing, diction is very important because once you chose the wrong words, your readers might misinterpret the message you intend to convey. But before we proceed to the given topics, let's first know the importance of having a good diction. First, it is important to choose your words carefully because terms can have more than one meaning. For example, the word table may mean a furniture or it could be a chart. Second, different words can have the same meaning, like big and large, which both refer to heights. Third, the meaning of some words can be analyzed into components. For instance, hen means not only a chicken, but it is a female chicken. And lastly, certain combination of words may have different meanings, like the words vote down, which means to reject, and vote through, which means to accept. Now, let's proceed to our first type of English diction, which is exact. Here, you must use specific instead of general words. For example, virtue is too abstract and indefinite, so you may narrow it down to more specific type of virtue, which is humility. Another, we have the sentence, her grades at the end of semester were satisfactory. The word satisfactory is too general, so we should make it specific by saying she received two 1.0s at the end of the semester. Here, we can see the reason her grades are satisfactory. It's because she had two 1.0 grades. Second is vivid diction. From the word itself, vivid, how you evoke lifelike images within the mind. However, you must avoid cliches or worn out expressions such as better late than never to showcase clarity and freshness of the given experience. In creating imagery, you must use colorful expressions like the five sensory words, which are the touch, taste, smell, sound, and sight. We have one example in each sensory word. We have moist for touch, sour for taste, pungent for smell, whisper for sound, and golden for sight. And third, we have proper diction. Here you have to use words according to given circumstances. In academic setting, you are required to use formal terms. Otherwise, use informal. For example, under informal, "'Twas raining cats and dogs." What makes this statement informal is the use of contraction, as well as the idiom cats and dogs. For formal, you cannot do that. Instead of saying such, we say, "It was raining very heavily." Here, the expression is very direct to the point and does not contract words. So, those are your three types of English diction. They are exact, vivid, and proper. You have to remember that in choosing words, be exact instead of indefinite. Be vivid instead of trite. Be specific instead of general. And be proper instead of inappropriate. And that ends our virtual lesson on Flip Classroom. I hope you learned a lot from today's online discussion. If there are any questions, feel free to raise them in class and I will do my best to entertain your queries. So again, this is your Sir Jasper. See you tomorrow and have a great evening.